Now a shocking story from Andhra Pradesh. A 13-year-old boy kept chained inside a police station for 5 days. This happened in the Prakasam district of Andhra Pradesh. Sources have told NDTV the rack picker boy was accused of chain snatching and kept chained by his leg at the police station for 5 days. The district police chief, however, says when the sub-inspector had gone out, the constable wanted to ensure the boy did not run away and had therefore chained him. He denies that the boy had been detained for 5 days. The SP said the arrest happened on Monday. The DSP is now inquiring into the incident. And tracking that story for us is my colleague Uma Sudhir, who now joins us on the phone line. Shocking violation of human rights there. How do the police explain this? At the moment, it looks like they're even denying the fact that the boy was there for 5 days.
Yes, the district police chief as well as the state police chief, in fact, have told us that the boy was taken into custody yesterday and he was, in fact, there was some recovery of some things from him, some property as they call it. And they say that the sentry constable, because he wanted to go out for lunch, had kept this boy chained inside the police station to ensure that the boy doesn't run away from the place. Must tell you, Neha, that just last month we had a similar incident in the Telangana state in Warangal, where another boy, juvenile again, delinquent, was kept chained in a similar manner. So what it does go to show is probably a lack of an apparatus or the sensitization in the police force to be able to deal with minors who are indulging perhaps in criminal offences. So in this particular case, this boy should never have been brought to a police station. The police perhaps should have gone in and inquired in the field, and he is not meant to be brought into a police station and not chained for sure, kept chained inside a police station. So the DSP certainly ordered an inquiry, but what it does draw our attention to is the larger lack of a system of monitoring these kind of delinquents. The SP told me that there have been earlier cases of theft against this very boy.
Right.
And the magistrate has now said that this boy should be produced before him this morning.
Right. Very quickly, Uma, before we let you go, an inquiry has been ordered, but has any preliminary action been taken against the cops involved?
The inquiry has just been initiated by the DSP of the region. No action yet against the cops involved. What they are saying is that the SI, the sub-inspector of the Vettapalam police station, was not available in the station. As you can see, visuals, it seems to be quite a sophisticated police station, but only one sentry, they say, was available, and he wanted to go out for lunch, and that's the reason why he kept this boy chained, in fact, to the windowsill.